there was intelligence given by the accused person which is arrested that there are others who is having might be having illegal arms which are used for the hunting. So based on this information, we have formed 5 team we have formed, and we are going to comb entire this area. Accused is staying here, so he has given this important lead. So we are collecting the names of all the family members staying in the houses, along with Aadhaar card and all the relevant details. And we are checking suspicious whether any horns or any wild meat, some remnants are there. Moment we find something such thing, we will definitely going to register the cases. Our aim is to get check the arms, because there are intelligence. There was intel given by the accused person. Plus, we have formed a special team, LIB team, headed by PSI, wherein he will collect the intelligence of people having the arms in their houses. Moment we get the information, we will going to attach the arm, and the head of the family will be arrested after registering the crime. So these are the things we are going to do. Plus, in the recent case we registered, where one person got a bullet injury, more arrests are there likely, and we have also added a conspiracy section 120 old IPC. Conspiracy is there, looks like. So we added conspiracy section to this offense, and more arrests will be done very soon.
तुम्ही आता जे आता त्यांचे सगळ्यांचे व्हेरिफिकेशन घेताना सो तुम्ही त्यांच्या घरांनी सर्च ऑपरेशन बीन करतले तसे
See, we have power to search, and seizure is the inherent right of the police. This is the continuation of offense which is registered under 304 IPC. So, in case we find suspicious, definitely we're going to search the houses based on upon the intelligence.
सो त्याच्याकडे एक्यूज आसा त्याच्याकडे इंट्रोगेट करतना अजूनपर्यंत खंय पावला म्हणजे हो इन्सिडेंट कित्याक
See,
लागून
there are lot of I cannot tell entire investigation, but you will see in coming days more arrests will be there, and we will go to root of this case. We will not leave anyone. Whoever sent him for the hunting, who was the beneficiary of hunting meat, all will be taken to task, and will be arresting everyone.
आता तुम्ही आता ते फॉरेस्टान जे झालं फॉरेस्टाक कितें इंटिमेट बी केला ह्या संदर्भात तुम्ही त्यांची कितें मदत बी घेतले
Yeah, we have wrote for the forest department relevant time when the accused was moving in the forest to get give the CCTV footage with the timings. So we are also taking their help to get to see that accused is nailed properly, so that he is not acquitted. That also, and we will definitely talk to the officers, and we will ask them whether these people were roaming again and again, whether vehicle was coming again and again. So this also will definitely require forest department cooperation. And this checking of the houses will continue. Means it may take long time, but 5 teams every day 3 hours they will do. Means every day if you do about 25 houses, end of the 10 days we'll be doing about 150 houses. So this day we not only this area, entire area we'll go to check, so that and it will also help that if some suspicious person staying in the house, it will also help them to track. And in case we find any suspicious person without filling the form, definitely the action will be taken on the owner, and the person who is staying without filling police verification form, he will be definitely arrested on section 41 old CRPC. So these are the things, because this whatever happened was very serious thing, and we are very serious about our investigation.